Welcome back. Been a while. How about a couple-minute quick video here? Took the bottom panels off, they were bad, rebent them. New 16 gauge. Boom, boom. One on the back. This is the panel that runs lengthways. I've already mocked it up. I have my edge on it where I drew it with a Sharpie. This will go, get her in here. This is a two-piece back, so that'll be the top. This will line up to this. I will weld it before I put it on, okay? So we're getting closer on this. I've had a little bit of time today to work on it. Those are pieces we fabricated to replace the ones that were on it. I actually lengthened it because, as you can see, we're moving the fenders back to match the wheels. It does not meet up with the way the axle is on here for the box, so we will move this back. I am toying with moving this, but we may not. Somebody knows what they're doing will ever see the difference. Somebody's good at body work, so that's where we are. Hopefully have the fenders on it this weekend. Everything's been welded in. I just kind of roughed it. A little bit more to do there. I still got two to grind off on the inside. I put some glass on these. I just started getting this down. I'll have to hit it again, but same on the outside. This is just the rough. This truck is rough. The box is rough. It hauled fence posts and everything else for its life. So it's the best we could do for this old girl. So right now, so that's where we're going. This one we kind of straightened up. This one he didn't want to change. I would have, not my truck. So not going to argue with the son. Here we are. I'll bring you back maybe later on this evening or tomorrow, and maybe we'll have all these mock-ups all done. I'll have them welded and bolted in place, and hopefully I can hang some fenders. And then we'll take the box off, get it to finish the body work, what we're going to do on it. Of course, the truck is kind of rough. You can see it. It's an old apple orchard truck. It's been around. Okay. Well, it wasn't 2 minutes. We're going on 3 minutes. Thanks for all the comments. Like, subscribe, share, all that good stuff. Boom, boom. We'll see you later.